Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Changhong Ruba TV step by step. Start by turning on your Changhong Ruba TV with the remote. Make sure the Changhong Ruba TV is responding properly before we begin. If the Changhong Ruba TV is frozen, press and hold the power button on the remote. Keep the power button held until the Changhong Ruba TV fully powers off. Release the button and wait a few seconds before restarting the Changhong Ruba TV. Once the Changhong Ruba TV is back on, press the home button on the remote. On the Changhong Ruba TV home screen, move to the settings icon. Select settings to access the main menu of your Changhong Ruba TV. Scroll down the settings list on your Changhong Ruba TV. Find the device preferences option on your Changhong Ruba TV. Select device preferences to continue on the Changhong Ruba TV. In the menu, scroll to reset on your Changhong Ruba TV. Choose the reset option to begin the process on your Changhong Ruba TV. The Changhong Ruba TV will show a confirmation message. Select Erase Everything to confirm on the Changhong Ruba TV. The Changhong Ruba TV will now restart and begin wiping data. This reset will restore the Changhong Ruba TV to default settings. If the Changhong Ruba TV remote is not working, go to Manual Reset Steps. Turn off the Changhong Ruba TV by unplugging the power cable. Keep the Changhong Ruba TV unplugged for 30 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the Changhong Ruba TV panel. Hold the button for 10 seconds to drain power from the Changhong Ruba TV. Plug the power cable back into the Changhong Ruba TV. Keep holding the button until the Changhong Ruba TV turns on. This may open the recovery menu on your Changhong Ruba TV. Use the volume keys on the Changhong Ruba TV to navigate. Select Wipe Data/Factory Reset in the Changhong Ruba TV recovery menu. Confirm the selection to reset the Changhong Ruba TV. Wait for the reset process to finish on your Changhong Ruba TV. When complete, choose Reboot System Now on the Changhong Ruba TV. After rebooting, the Changhong Ruba TV will display the setup screen. Follow the setup steps to complete the Changhong Ruba TV restoration. If your Changhong Ruba TV is stuck on a black screen, unplug it again. Leave the Changhong Ruba TV unplugged for another full minute. Reconnect power while holding the power button on the Changhong Ruba TV. This forces the Changhong Ruba TV into a soft reset mode. Wait for the Changhong Ruba TV boot logo to appear. If the Changhong Ruba TV still doesn't respond, inspect the power cable. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged into the Changhong Ruba TV port. Check the wall outlet to confirm the Changhong Ruba TV is getting power. If the Changhong Ruba TV isn't stable, avoid plugging it into loose sockets. Once the Changhong Ruba TV turns on, return to the settings menu. Repeat the reset option if the Changhong Ruba TV still behaves strangely. Use the Erase Everything option again to refresh the Changhong Ruba TV. After reset, let the Changhong Ruba TV reboot fully. Do not interrupt the boot process of the Changhong Ruba TV. When setup appears, reconnect Wi-Fi to complete the Changhong Ruba TV setup. Your Changhong Ruba TV should now run smoothly after the factory reset. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Enjoy your refreshed Changhong Ruba TV.